Hey guys, welcome back to Stuff. Today we will be opening 26 small gifts. Microphone on, okay. So 26 small gifts, we're recording, okay. Today we are going to be opening 26 small gifts. Wait, let me just count, see how much we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, let's open the first gift. Guys, I really want toys. I don't know why. I like collecting toys. I'm a toy collector. I like collecting toys. I'm kind of spoiled with toys, as you can see. But I want more. Yeah, ice cream rattle. Boom, boom, boom. Soccer ball throw toy. Ooh, chicken rattle. Stick throw toy. I really want a stroller. I don't have that much strollers. Okay. I'll just spam two. Ooh, got a boomerang and a soccer ball. Ice cream rattle. Ice cream rattle. Newspaper chew toy. Decent. Yes, we got a stroller. We got a stroller out of a small gift. Thank you a lot, Santa. We love you. A Led Zeppelin balloon. I think this is the first one in our video. Okay, another crate stroller. Okay, that's really good. Okay, how much more small gifts do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 left. Soccer ball, throw toy. Let's rapidly open these. Ooh, nice. So what did we get out of those? We got a soccer ball, throw toy, a Led Zeppelin balloon, and an ice cream. So not too bad. Ooh, a mouse chew toy. I love the gifts. I love presents. I'm a toy collector and Adopt Me. I don't know why. Okay. We have 5 left, guys. We keep getting crate strollers. Why not triple strollers? Okay. 4 left. Stick throw toy. Maybe if we stand on the hoverboard, it'll give us good luck for a hoverboard, maybe? I don't know. What do you guys think? Like the video for good luck, please. Soccer ball throw toy. One small gets left. Mouse chew toy, uncommon. Here's our last one, guys. I mean, I wasn't expecting a lot from small gifts. But I mean, it would be nice if we got a hoverboard, but I wasn't expecting a lot because it's a 60% chance common, 30% chance uncommon, 7.5% chance rare. So, and we got a rubber chicken rattle, and a crate stroller, so that's pretty good. A 2% ultra rare, we haven't gotten any ultra rares yet, and a 0.5% legendary, so 0.5% legendary, and we haven't gotten any legendary yet. Well, guys, here we go, the last one. An ice cream rattle. I'm still happy with it. Let's see all my toys now. Whoa, a lot of toys. This is a lot of toys. What? Look at all these toys. Too much toys. I kind of like it. Guys, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I don't know why I did that.